The speed, the excitement, the tension. That's Formula One for you. The only problem is that there are countries around the globe where it simply is unavailable. The dreaded regional locking rears its ugly head. But I'm here to fix this. Let me show you how to access Formula One from anywhere in the world. Before we start this F1 tutorial, a few things to mention. We're going to watch Formula One with VPN. And while this is perfectly legal, it could be subject to some restrictions and may result in a breach of service terms. So just check with your local laws and service agreements before all of this. But wondering where to watch F1? Well, here in the USA, we have ESPN, Hulu, FuboTV, and YouTube TV. While for my friends in the UK, you gotta go with Sky Sports. There are other services around the globe, but for this tutorial, we're focusing only on the USA and UK. So, if you're seeing this dreaded message, go and grab a NordVPN subscription. I've left my special discount links below. And don't worry, NordVPN comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can receive a full refund. I do want to note that you can use any good VPN provider. The reason I chose NordVPN is because it's probably the fastest VPN I've tested. And when watching live events, internet speed is, kind of important. Once you've got your subscription, download the NordVPN app to your preferred device. For this video, I'm using my Windows PC, but the setup process is simple no matter your choice. Run the install and log in after it's done. You should see this map screen and a nifty little menu on the left. Use this map or the server list right here to connect to USA or UK servers, preferably whichever one is closest to you, since a closer server means better performance. Once the connection is active, you can go to Google and type in My IP. It'll show you where your current virtual location is. If everything is working correctly, you should see UK or USA info. Now, go to any website that's streaming Formula One live events, create an account, and start watching. If you're using NordVPN on Mac OS, you can create a preset for future uses. It'll connect us to the right server and the right website with one single click. To do so, I've added the site's URL and chosen server that worked before. Save the preset, and that's it. That's how to access Formula One. Well, not entirely. Even with NordVPN being one of the best VPN 2024 options for watching Formula One, it's not perfect. But I have a few pieces of advice. The first thing to try is to switch servers. Naturally, sometimes the server you're connected to may experience issues. Try switching to a different server by tapping on Reconnect within the NordVPN app, or fully disconnecting and then reconnecting to the same country. The problem might also be on the streaming provider's end, so don't forget to refresh the website itself, especially after reconnecting. Hit that refresh a few times. If it's not working, consider closing the website or app before changing servers. The issue might also lie in your browser. Most of them collect cache and other optimization features, but they can cause issues for us. So make sure you clear everything out. In Firefox or Google Chrome, you can quickly do this by navigating to the browser settings and selecting the option to clear cache. Lastly, if you're still figuring out how to watch F1 and all else fails, I would recommend giving NordVPN support a shot. They're available 24/7 via live chat or email, and I'm sure they will find a way to help you out. Personally, I like to contact the support via live chat on the NordVPN website. I found it to be a bit faster than email. So, using the best VPN provider, you can watch Formula One no matter where you are in the world. And NordVPN makes this process simple, fast, and quite affordable. Don't miss out on key Formula One events and grab NordVPN with my discount deal. Thanks for tuning in to my How to Watch F1 tutorial. I hope it helped you out. For more insights, subscribe to Cyber News Reviews, where you can find reviews on all cybersecurity tools like VPNs, antiviruses, and more. And don't be shy about leaving your questions and your experiences below. Anyway, I'll see you all later. Have a good one.